pizzas. Look, this is pizza sauce. This is pizza sauce. Okay, this is green pepper. Okay, this is cheese. Okay, this is a hummus.
Okay, what's the first thing you put on pizza?
This is cheese and cheese. You put cheese, Mama.
No, you have to put tomato sauce first.
You can put then this.
Yes.
Okay, let's do this. Pizza sauce.
So you have to put in the circle, you know? Good job. What are you putting on, Noor?
Pizza cheese. This is so funny. You should put all of it.
What are those, Noor?
This is butter cheese.
Oh, that's olives.
Olive.
Yeah.
I put olives in too.
Do you like olives on your pizza?
Yeah, I like all of it.
You're gonna put all of it?
Yeah.
But you need to spread it out.
Bread and pizza. 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 Bread.
Okay. Good girl. Okay, now you're gonna put peppers.
Peppers. Hi guys, Mickey. I put pepper on and I do that. Bring it closer. I like pepper.
You like peppers?
Yeah, I will take some.
Is it good?
Yeah, yeah.
Well, it's a lot of peppers, Noor. You need to spread it out.
I put all of it.
Are you gonna spread it out now?
Yeah, I spread it up. It's more no more.
Oh, okay, that's good. Okay, now you have to spread it on the pizza.
Spread in my pizza. Spread in my pizza. Peace braiding. Peace braiding. Peace braiding. Peace braiding. Okay, done, Mama.
Okay, are we gonna bake it now? You see the pizza?
I see it. Let's open it.
Oh, no, not yet. It's not ready yet.
Let's take a picture.
You gonna take a picture? Okay.
Mama, this is my phone. Eat me.
Is it good, Noor?
Yeah. And take your song now.
Is it good, Noor?
Mm.
Okay, thanks for watching.
So, bye. Ma.